Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make liked songs playlist on Spotify. It's very easy. Now let's get started. Alright, let me take you to my library on my Spotify account. Now as you can see right here, I have no liked songs playlist. Now if you want to make a liked song playlist, this is how you can actually do it. Now first of all, just discover some songs on Spotify and play anyone. For example, if I want to like the song, I'll just tap on the song, and then I'm going to get this like option. I'm going to click on like. I'll do that to another song. I can just click on these three dots and like the song. I'm going to like a couple of songs. Alright, I think that's enough. Now guys, let's go back to our home page. Now if you want to make a liked song playlist on Spotify, the only thing you have to do is to just like some songs on Spotify and then go to your library. If you go to your library, the like song playlist will be created automatically for you. As you can see right here, I have the like songs playlist. I can open it and you're going to see all the songs I just liked. So guys, this is how you can make a liked songs playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.